Alright, Meow. Just on the way back from Bradwell's with Dad. He's waving at me for some reason. Fuck knows. And yeah, I'm behind him. He's in front. We've got empty trailers. And he's going slow. And I don't want to. Not one bit. Just coming off the 46. Willoughby Hotel. And have a go-karting. Easy. My dad's starting to bear come with it. I think he knows what's coming. Do you? And there he is, sports fans. There he is. Shall I do it? I fancy it, but he'll give me a ride, bollocking, won't he? But yeah. Yeah. Do fancy it. Big time. Fuck him! I'm going for it! I'm going for it! He's popped her out! Here he is! He ain't seen me yet! Come on, Dad! Oh! He's done him! He's done him! He's done him! Let's get back to the farm, Sari, and hide. He's gonna have my fucking pants down. He did not look happy. Crazy.